Dear students, now we will discuss about the aromatic compounds. Aromatic word is derived from the aroma. There are certain compounds of the 6-carbon atom in the form of a circle which have 3 alternative single and double bonds. And this structure is known as benzene, where we have 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Its molecular formula is C6H6. We can also write it here as this structure, where there is a hexagon with the 3 double bond inside. This is again the benzene structure. In the third case, we can also write it as this compound as the hexagon which have a circle inside. This is again the same compound, benzene. So you can say that benzene can be represented in 3 different forms, like this, second one or third one. All these are the structure of the benzene, and all those compounds which have at least one benzene ring in its structure, all these compounds are known as the aromatic compounds. If we have 2 benzene rings and they are joined together, then we call this compound as the naphthalene. If we have 3 adjacent benzene rings, then we will call that compound as the anthracene. I think you can make the structure of the anthracene by writing the 3 adjacent benzene rings. Yes. If there is a methyl group attached to the benzene ring, then this compound is known as toluene. If there is hydroxyl group attached to the benzene ring, this compound is known as phenol. If there is aldehyde group is represented by CHO is attached to the benzene ring, then we call it as the benzaldehyde. If we have nitro group attached to the benzene ring, then this compound is known as nitrobenzene.